This celebration of the 50th anniversary are living proof that despite their trials and weaknesses, they have shown that being faithful is not only a possibility but is also very meaningful.
Agyaman aklaunay kanya na tainten ni Apo Diyos nga isuti asawa. Gaputa kastoy nga kasasaad ko nga nagsaksakit. Agdaddarata nga mantut kita kanya. Pagyaman aklaunay tayo isutin ni Apo kataktapunay na ito.
It is still possible for a couple to be faithful to the oath they made 50 years ago. Their oath to love each other through thick and thin, through pain and through happiness, forever until death.
Well, I will tell her that I will love her forever. I will be always on her side till death do us part. I am not the person who show affection. Anyway, I do it in many other ways.
Blessed are you, Lord, for by your goodness I took Pilahia as my wife.
Blessed are you, Lord, for by your goodness I took Eugenio as my husband.
Agyaman aklaw na kiniapo ta nasaya aklaw na panagdindin namin for 50 years nga nagdindin na kami. Anak nga nakaraman turan niya nga pitik nga kukunada. So nga ay tek unay iso nga kasya nga ruti panang servina kanya.
I'm amazed that we reached this far, 50 years. She is my best treasure, actually, and I love her very much. And I hope we reach another 50 years of marriage.